Alright, got a Cobra 25 LTD Classic. It's a brand new radio. It's been peaked and tuned. Receiver aligned. Synthesizer's been tuned for exact frequency. It's got Schottky diodes and a high gain transistor in the receiver. Let's go ahead and check it out on the meter. Take this slug out. 10 watt. Dead key. So we got 10 watt. Right here on the bottom. So 10 watts, 6 watts, 5 watts. Coming in about 6.5 watts. A little over 6. Check out the peak power. This radio turned out a little hotter than some of the other ones. So we got a 50 watt slug. We're in this middle scale here, so we got 20 watts right here, 30 watts, 35 watts. Radio check, radio check. So swinging a little over 30 watts. There's our carrier. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. So it looks pretty good on the old O-scope there. Right here in the normal channel 9 switch, talkback has been added. Radio check 1, 2. Radio. Connex echo board in the RF gain spot here. Got me on Cobra 25 LTD Classic. Come on. And you can adjust it. Hello? 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 Check. Hello? 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 Well, there you have it, folks. It's a brand new radio. It's a very good, clean, strong runner radio. Thanks for watching.